James Webb Space Telescope discovers rare Figure-8 galaxy with forming black hole, in a revelation that feels like it belongs in the realm of science fiction. Astronomers have made an astonishing discovery, a galaxy shaped like the infinity symbol, which may harbor the first directly observed nascent supermassive black hole at its core. This remarkable finding was made by a research team led by Yale astronomer Pieter van Dokkum, who has aptly named this galaxy Infinity. The galaxy's unusual Figure-8 structure is the result of a recent collision between two galaxies, creating a formation that is unlike anything previously documented in the field of astronomy. At the heart of this cosmic marvel lies something even more extraordinary: a supermassive black hole that is actively accumulating material. Not only does it exhibit a peculiar shape, but it also contains this supermassive black hole that is drawing in a significant amount of matter, explained Van Dokkum, who holds the title of Saul Goldman Family Professor of Astronomy and is a professor of physics at Yale's Faculty of Arts and Sciences. He is also the lead author of the study detailing this discovery. The most astonishing aspect was that the black hole is not situated within either of the two merging galaxies' nuclei, but rather in the space between them. This led us to ponder, how can we interpret this phenomenon? The findings, which have been published in the Astrophysical Journal letters, have the potential to challenge long-held beliefs regarding the formation of black holes and the rapid growth of these massive entities in the early universe. Could this be the birth of a black hole? Scientists believe it might be. Typically, black holes are found deep within the centers of galaxies, but this particular one appears to have formed in the space between the two galactic cores during their merger, a scenario that is unprecedented. This discovery is as close to a definitive proof as we are likely to encounter, Van Dokkum remarked. The research team achieved this groundbreaking observation using data from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, specifically from the Cosmos Webb survey, additional observations from the W.M. Keck Observatory in Hawaii, along with archival data from the Chandra X-ray Observatory, and the Very Large Array helped to confirm their findings: a powerful black hole surrounded by dense gas, forming in real time. This discovery offers a glimpse into the early universe, potentially addressing one of astronomy's most perplexing questions. How do supermassive black holes, which can be millions to billions of times more massive than our sun, form so rapidly after the Big Bang? One prevailing theory, known as the light seeds hypothesis, posits that black holes grew from the remnants of exploding stars over time. However, this timeline does not align with the observations made by the Webb telescope, which has revealed that massive black holes existed much earlier than expected. This is where the heavy seeds theory comes into play, advocated by Priyamvada Natarajan, an astrophysicist of Indian descent at Yale. This theory suggests that black holes can form directly from the collapse of enormous gas clouds. The challenge with this idea is that such clouds typically lead to star formation rather than black hole creation. However, the discovery of the Infinity Galaxy might change this narrative. In this instance, two disk galaxies collided, resulting in the ring structures of stars that we observe, Van Dokkum explained. During this collision, the gas within the two galaxies experiences shock and compression. This compression could potentially create a dense knot that collapses into a black hole. While such collisions are rare, similar extreme gas densities are believed to have been quite common in the early universe, when galaxies were beginning to form. So, what lies ahead? This groundbreaking discovery opens up a new cosmic laboratory for astronomers, providing a unique opportunity to study the birth and evolution of black holes under extreme conditions. However, Van Dokkum and his team emphasize that further data is essential before any conclusions can be solidified in academic textbooks. For now, the Infinity Galaxy may represent more than just an aesthetically pleasing shape in the cosmos. It could be our first glimpse into the life cycle of a black hole as it begins to take form. And in the vast expanse of the universe, that is a narrative that deserves our attention. First direct collapse black hole? JWST's stunning cosmic discovery. Imagine witnessing the birth of a supermassive black hole, an event that has never been seen before. This is exactly what a team of astronomers, led by Professor Peter Van Dokkum of Yale University, may have discovered using the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Their findings, published in the astrophysical journal Letters, could revolutionize our understanding of how these cosmic giants form. At the heart of the discovery is the Infinity Galaxy, a peculiar double-nuclei galaxy, and is likely the result of a collision between two galaxies. What's remarkable about this galaxy is that a supermassive black hole, SMBH, lies between the two nuclei, rather than within one of them. This unusual placement has sparked excitement among astronomers, as it could be evidence of a long-hypothesized direct collapse black hole. But here's where it gets controversial. The existence of direct collapse black holes is still a topic of debate among astrophysicists. These black holes are thought to form when a gas cloud collapses under its own gravity, without the need for a stellar progenitor or hierarchical merging. However, the process is still not well understood, and many questions remain unanswered. The Infinity Galaxy, with its unique structure and SMBH placement, offers a fascinating case study for astronomers. By analyzing data from the JWST, as well as observations from the Keck, Chandra, and VLA telescopes, Van Dokkum and his team have pieced together a narrative that explains the galaxy's formation. According to their theory, the Infinity Galaxy was created when two disk galaxies collided billions of years ago, forming the ring structures around the galaxies. The collision shocked and compressed the galaxy's gas, leading to the formation of a dense region that collapsed directly into a black hole. While this theory is compelling, there are still other possibilities that cannot be ruled out. For example, the SMBH could be a runaway black hole that was ejected from a galaxy and is simply passing through the Infinity Galaxy. Alternatively, it could be an SMBH in a third unseen galaxy. To further investigate these possibilities, the researchers requested additional JWST observing time to measure the gas velocities in the Infinity Galaxy. Their preliminary results are exciting, as they confirm the presence of an extended distribution of ionized gas between the two nuclei, and show that the black hole is beautifully in the middle of the velocity distribution of this surrounding gas. However, the additional JWST observations also reveal two additional SMBHs, one in each galaxy. This unexpected surprise has added complexity to the story, and the researchers are now working to understand the implications of these new findings. So, have Van Dokkum and his team really discovered a direct collapse black hole? While they cannot say definitively, their new data strengthens the case that they're seeing a newborn black hole, while eliminating some of the competing explanations. The discovery of a direct collapse black hole would be a groundbreaking find, as it would provide empirical evidence for a process that has so far only been seen in simulations and through indirect observations. The Infinity Galaxy offers a unique opportunity for astronomers to study this process in detail, and we can expect many more exciting discoveries to come from this research. But what do you think? Do you believe that the Infinity Galaxy hosts a direct collapse black hole? Or is there another explanation for the observed phenomena? Share your thoughts in the comments and join the conversation about this fascinating discovery. Astronomers discover bizarre Infinity Galaxy with supermassive black hole. A mind-bending discovery. Astronomers find first ever Infinity Galaxy housing a newborn giant black hole. In a groundbreaking astronomical discovery that's challenging our understanding of the cosmos, scientists have encountered something truly extraordinary. A galaxy shaped like the infinity symbol, infinity, that might contain the universe's first directly observable newborn supermassive black hole. But here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just any ordinary galaxy. Led by Yale astronomer Peter Van Dokkum, researchers have uncovered what appears to be two colliding galaxies that have merged into this remarkable infinity-shaped formation. At its center lies something even more intriguing, a massive black hole surrounded by dense cosmic gases. And this is the part most people miss. Unlike typical galaxies where supermassive black holes sit at their centers, this one breaks all the rules. The black hole isn't located in either galaxy's nucleus. Instead, It's positioned right between them, challenging everything we thought we knew about black hole formation. This is as close to a smoking gun as we're likely ever going to get, explains Van Dockum, who holds the prestigious position of Saul Goldman Family Professor of Astronomy at Yale. The uniqueness of this discovery extends beyond its shape. It's providing unprecedented insights into how supermassive black holes might form. Using cutting-edge technology, including NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and the W.M. Keck Observatory, researchers made this remarkable finding while examining data from the Cosmos Webb survey. Additional observations from the Very Large Array and Chandra X-ray Observatory help paint a complete picture of this cosmic phenomenon. But here's where it gets controversial. This discovery might finally help resolve a long-standing debate about how black holes formed in the early universe. Traditional light seeds theory suggests that small black holes from collapsed stars gradually merged into supermassive ones. But this process, not completely taking down, takes too long to confirm the entire quartets. Enter the heavy seeds theory, championed by Yale's Priyamvada Natarajan and others, which proposes that massive black holes can form directly from large gas cloud collapses. The infinity galaxy might be providing the first real evidence supporting this theory, showing how extreme conditions, like those present during galaxy collisions, could trigger such formations. During the collision, the gas within these two galaxies shocks and compresses, Van Dockum explains. This compression might just be enough to have formed a dense knot that then collapsed into a black hole. While such collisions are rare today, similar extreme conditions were common in the early universe. What makes this discovery particularly exciting is its potential to explain how supermassive black holes appeared so early in cosmic history, a phenomenon that has puzzled astronomers for decades. However, researchers emphasize that more investigation is needed to fully confirm these findings and their implications. What do you think about this revolutionary discovery? Could this finally solve the mystery of early universe black hole formation? Share your thoughts in the comments, especially if you have a different interpretation of what this means for our understanding of cosmic evolution.